nice, long, cleansing, deep breath now. I invite you to sit upright in your chair, and let's just take a nice, cleansing breath. And as you exhale, just think of letting your body relax, letting every muscle relax and let go. Every cell in your body listens to your thoughts, your words. And so we speak to the cells, the muscles in our bodies, and we say, relax, let go. Beginning at the feet, and we say to our feet, relax, relax. Those feet have been busy, haven't they? Carrying us around all week. We give them a little break right now. Relax and let go. We become aware of our calves, our thighs. Relax. Relax. We let our hands and fingers relax. Relax our forearms, our biceps, our shoulders. We let our abdomen and stomach relax. Relaxing our chest, our shoulders, our back. Relax and let go. We become aware of the muscles in our neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Moving awareness into your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Taking a mini vacation, a spiritual vacation, turning within to be renewed from the inside out. To be recharged, not only physically, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually, recharged. As we become still and quiet, it's like plugging your device into a charger. The energy flows in. As we get still and quiet, we're plugging in to the infinite source of all energy, all power, all creativity, all life, all light. As your body relaxes, as your mind becomes calm and quiet, just know that you are plugging in to the source. Lo, I am with you always. The I am, the God in you, the God as you, in which you live and move and have your being and can never be separate. Always here, always present, always being you. You are in the flow right now. Spirit is. God is. And I am an expression of that Spirit. Let us further focus our mind by using our breathing. For a few moments, just observe the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your nasal passages. Just feel the breath as it flows in and as it flows out. And when your mind begins to think about other things, just bring it back to feeling the breath. As your breath flows in now, mentally think the words, God is, or if you prefer a different term for this presence, Spirit is, love is, whatever works for you. God is on the inhalation, I am on the exhalation. Breath flows in, mentally think God is, or if you choose another word, fine. And as the breath flows out, I am. God is. I am. Let's do that for a little while now. Watching the breathing, using the affirmations. And no matter what your mind has been doing, if it's wandering a lot, that's pretty normal. Doesn't mean you're not doing it right. Doesn't mean you can't meditate or you're having a bad meditation. Doesn't mean that at all. The fact that you're making the effort is all that really matters. Sincerely making the effort. And through practice, you get better at it. So now just rest in the quiet. Noticing what you might be feeling, noticing what might be going on inside of you. Just be present to it. Have you ever, I'm sure you have, watched the sun rise? Do you remember what a glorious experience that was? Can you remember the last time you watched the sun rise? See that now, visualize it, remember it. What did the rising of the sun feel like? Imagine that sun rising inside of you right now. Feel that the sun, the inner light, is now breaking, rising in you, filling you with more and more light, brightening every part of your consciousness, lifting every part of your consciousness. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sunshine. Feel that the radiance of this light is emanating from you now, brilliantly, filling the room in which you are, uplifting the space where you are and everyone in it. Imagine that light radiating forth from you. For a moment, see your loved ones and friends. Imagine that the sun is rising within their hearts and within their consciousness. And they are being filled with the light of the Spirit within them. And we see now all people as if joining hands in a great circle around the globe. And we see the sun rising within every soul, the light of Spirit filling every person, every being. We see our planet Earth enfolded in this light. And we give thanks for this time of knowing the truth, of getting in tune with that sunshine within us, that light that is eternal, that light that comes from an infinite source, that light that's expressing in and through and as each of us right now. Within yourself, know, I am the light. I am the light. Feel that light radiating from you. And we thank you, Father, Mother, God, for your presence and activity. And we bring our awareness now back to the body, feeling the feet beneath us on the floor, feeling the chair underneath us, moving toes, moving fingers, and moving forth in this day, letting the light radiate through you, as you, in your life. so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.